May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, I'd like to mention today's supplementary item 24 and 25.
Yes.
May I pray that this matter may be taken up on 22nd of September. We are yet to file our affidavit.
I'm on behalf of the petitioner.
Yes.
So, my lord, may I pray the matter that the matter be fixed on 22nd of September.
Okay. On the prayer of learned council for the parties listed on
22nd of September.
22nd of
September.
September. 25 and 24 and 25.
24 and
Okay.
God bless.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 18 and 19. And especially matters.
Yes.
I prefer to list it on 17th of August. With the consent of the other side.
17 and 18.
17 of and 18 and 19.
Okay. What is the urgency in this matter?
For matter.
Huh?
From that has been acquired matter. So is this for the rehabilitation matter on the project affected person? Or any in the matter, Lord, there were landslides also in the Anil matter. So some parts of the place already was there.
But I find that this matter has been repeatedly listed.
Yes.
And on
Not
each
this one.
occasion,
Not this one. There are-
whether matter is adjourned without any effective order. If there is no urgency, will accommodate, you will list it in a longer time.
Matter, I had some other different. So my may
So, but why this case has been repeatedly adjourned?
this matter can be taken up on 9th matter. On Wednesday matter.
Lordship, Mr. Tiwari Spirit said that 17 or 21 is ready to come.
We don't know.
That's why.
We would not like to fix any particular date. Because once we fix a particular date, for your one case, another case is excluded.
That is
So therefore, unless it is of very urgent in nature, we would not like to fix a date. We may say 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Because we keep on fixing a date and on that the matter is adjourned. When you fix a date, there is no option but to list that case. To be adjourned on the next date.
This is for me matter.
All right. This time 17th of August.
17 August.
August may- Because I don't know.
No, that 17th court will look into it.
They may-
Today, this is the view of this court, which may be, which view may be different on the 17th.
I know, this matter, may I pray this matter may- and taken up in the initial stage.
Admission is 18, 19, admission. Okay. On the prayer of Mr. A. Saxena, on the counsel for the petitioner. Okay, all right, Lavika, for the response. As okay, list it on 17th of August for admission hearing. Okay, all right.
May I please pause? Lordship, I like to mention item number 13 to 17, Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, this matter will be taken up next week or after 2 weeks, Lordship.
what is this matter about?
This is regarding the Gamura case, Lordship.
Okay,
All the parties we have consented for amendments.
13 to
17 weeks.
17, when?
Today, Lordship,
Huh?
we are not ready, Lordship.
When?
Today, we are next week or after 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks?
No, no problem.
Yes.
I am representing for WPC number 15.
Hmm.
So, hello, I have already received the additional affidavit.
Hmm.
Plus, in terms of order that has my now, my prayer report is full of. They finally released the letter. We should.
When?
Because my lord, all the pleadings is over.
Okay, you want it to be listed for admission hearing?
Admission in hearing.
When?
My lord,
Question is when?
when,
On which date?
on the 6th September of this, 6th September.
Okay. 6th September is agreeable to all the parties?
My lord.
Okay. On 13 to 17,
17, my lord.
on the prayer of Learned Council for the parties listed on 17th of no. Or 6th of September, 6th of September for admission hearing. Okay.
Much obliged.
Wait, Beg to mention item number 8.
Hmm.
This matter pertains to reversal matter. There was an entry motor matter that has been now vacated. I
Hmm.
will seek instructions matter. What is the present situation?
Hmm.
I will seek what is the present situation now. Maybe the
Hmm.
process also. Let be up to 3 weeks now.
On the prayer of Mr. Deep, on the council for the petitioner, listed after 3 weeks.
My lord, order item 27 to 29, my lord.
Hmm.
Supplementary, we'll be filing our affidavit within this week, my lord.
27 to 29.
29.
Yes,
Your Lordship, I am appearing for Nico. I also need to file a reply.
okay.
Your Lordship, with the concept of. Can we have it on 22nd of September? I have some inconvenience between.
You have got a petitioner,
Yes, ma'am.
22nd of September.
Yes.
On the prayer of Learned Council appearing for the parties listed on 22nd of September.
Obliged.
Just, okay. This matter was fixed by the earlier court to be listed today.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For
For filing.
Application by the state
Hmm.
was there. Considering the state. And we are also newly.
Can we say it after 6 weeks, 8 weeks?
Your Lordship, can
See,
we have-
earlier principle applies.
I understand. Your Lordship.
On last occasion, this case was fixed for today. It has occupied the place of 3 other cases.
But.
Isn't it?
Next time. don't-
Can we say after 8 weeks, 6 weeks, whatever it is?
Your
And it
Lordship,
will come its own
it
time.
becomes very difficult for suddenly to move from Guwahati. Therefore, since.
See,
I understand. Your
Call
Lordship.
list is published 2 days ahead. Isn't it? So you come to
Your
know.
Lordship, only this time your Lordship will fix it, we won't be sitting there.
Okay. You have a local council also here,
Then again to print.
22nd.
22nd.
Okay, September, yes,
Obliged.
My lordship,
yes,
lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, lordship,
23.
lordship, leading council also substation, lordship.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, petitioner has been terminated from job, lordship, for other complaint, or someone complaint, lordship, without issuing separate notice. lordship.
Which post?
Wereman, lordship,
Huh?
wereman, power department, lordship,
Which post?
wereman, lordship,
Wireman.
yes, lordship.
Okay.
Next,
There is a stay order.
yes, lordship.
We'll see. Let us see what is the matter about. This is 2018 matter.
Lordship,
You wait.
lordship, one more item, lordship.
Hmm.
Item number 5, lordship, on behalf of A. Bhattacharya, lordship,
Item number
5, lordship.
5. Yes.
Lordship, on behalf of A. Bhattacharya, lordship, matter may be listed after 3 weeks, lordship.
What is the matter about?
I'm sorry, lordship, just now through phone call informed me this, lordship, he is out of.
Affidavit has been filed.
Lordship, no idea, lordship.
Government advocate, who is appearing in item number 5?
We have filed the affidavit.
You have filed an affidavit.
Yes, regional also they have filed.
What is the matter about?
So, service, termination, service.
Termination. There is a stay order
No,
on the prayer of Mr.
K. Loren, lordship.
K. Lole, and the council on behalf of Mr. A. Bhattacharya listed after 8 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
May I, lordship? I beg to mention item number 3, Your Honor. This is the contempt petition, Your Honor. I am
Yes.
for the petitioner, Your Honor. Your Honor, the conducting council is not in a position to appear before this honorable court. He is suffering from conjunctivitis.
You are appearing for the respondent. Order has been complied with.
Already order was complied to, because there was a direction for the court to follow the notification.
All right, all right. Have you filed affidavit?
Yes.
Okay, we'll see. Yes. You wait, we'll see.
Yes.
Yes.
Obliged.
Lordship, I am on the behalf of leading counsel of the petitioner. May I would like to mention item number 20?
20.
Yes. Since we have to do justice service upon respondent number 8, so kindly this matter may be adjourned for 3 weeks. And we have taken consent from the other party.
You have taken dusty service.
Yes, sir.
Have you filed affidavit? You wait, let us see the record then. Yes, next. You wait when the matter is called up, we'll see.
Your Lordship, I would like to mention item number 11.
Yes,
Sir, the rejoinder affidavit has not been filed. Therefore, let the matter be adjourned for today.
item number,
Item number 11, Your Lordship.
you are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord. I'm on behalf of Advocate Tony Pertin.
What kind of a rejoinder has not been filed? Filed by whom?
Filed by the petitioner.
Filed by the petitioner.
Yeah.
You come this side. Counter affidavit has been filed.
Yes, Lordship, we have filed our counter.
What is the matter about?
Lordship, this is eviction matter only, in the forest area.
There is stay order.
Stay order is there, Lordship. So on the next step, Lordship, matter may be fixed for
Let us see, you wait,
only one
you
chance.
wait, let us see.
Makes it yours. Lordship, as on today, now 4 months, 26 days left for my retirement.
Lordship, I have received the instruction. Your Lordship.
What was the matter about?
Let's transfer it, right?
Transport.
I am about to retire on 31st. And it's only 4 months, 26 days left.
Where is the interim order?
Imperial order, Lordship, page number 15.
15. You are at serial number 5.
Yes, serial number 5.
Pasigat Bandardwar.
Yes.
And in your place,
In your place, there is a lady at serial number 7. She is already serving at Pasigat and she has been transferred Pasigat to Pasigat.
in your place, who has been brought in?
Lordship,
In your place, who has been brought in?
serial number 7.
Serial number 7.
Yes.
Respondent number?
Pro forma respondent.
Performer respondent.
Yes. Until date, she has not joined. Nobody is released. On the previous.
Yes, what for this instruction was sought?
Lordship, as to why he has been transferred
Okay.
5 months before the retirement, Your Lordship.
Yes,
Yes, Lordship, on
you
the,
have been posted in terms of the guideline.
Guideline is at page 17, Your Lordship.
When are you retiring from the service?
Lordship, it's in the circular dated 26, that is page number 23.
Yes. Page number 26,
23,
23.
yes. It clearly detailed that it is for general information to all concerned that Sri Tasan Taga, DFO, Deering Memorial Wildlife Sanctuary Division is due for retirement on superannuation with effect from 31/12.
Oh, this December.
Yes, 4 months, 26 days from now.
Why you can't be transferred?
Since my already pension papers have been ready by this circular
Ah.
in the month of June.
Is
And
this?
I'm a resident of Pasigat.
Just a
Permanent
moment.
resident.
CCF office at Bandodra is a headquarter or not?
Headquarters is at Itanagar only.
Headquarter is where?
PCCF office
PCCF
is
office.
Itanagar.
But this,
It's TCF.
no, PCCF controls the entire state.
Yes, PCCF controls the state.
There is, I think, circle, there is the forest division has been divided into circle wise.
Yes, circle, yes.
This Pasigat comes on the Bandota circle.
No.
Huh?
Pasigat is a different division.
No, Pasigat is a division.
Yes.
It comes on the which circle?
CCF Pasigat.
Yeah, how this Pasigat comes on the Bandota circle?
Your Lordship, as per this instruction, Bandadwa is the headquarter of that, Your Lordship.
He is saying there is another CCF at
CF Pasigat
CF, okay, conservator.
of forest.
CCF forest is higher.
CCF is higher.
Okay, whether that CF Pasigat comes on the CCF Bandardwa circle,
That I have to look into.
then we'll dismiss your case.
Let's-
You want to have a look at it?
let's-
We have a copy of it.
I have a copy, Your Lordship.
Give it to him.
Kindly consider my case only for once. Yes, but
Since when you have been there in Pasigat?
since 2020 or
Wait.
2018,
18.
yes.
Okay, I'll Mr. Case Saxena, counsel for the petitioner. And Ms. R. Vasa, government advocate for the state representing respondents 1, 2, 3. This petition is directed against the order dated 13 July 2023 passed by the PCCF between bracket E-F and CC by number so and so at page 15. However, the petitioner who is working as DFO, De-Airing Wildlife Sanctuary Pasigat has been transferred as DCF in the office of the CCF WSC Bandura. And in his place, the pro forma respondent number 4, Srimati Kempi Ete, ADCF, Etes officer in the DFO Forest Division Pasigat has been brought in also. The only contention raised by the petitioner in assailing the opposite order of transfer dated 13 July 2023 is that the petitioner is retiring from his service on attaining the age of superannuation on 31/12/2023. And in that view of the matter, an officer who is on the verge of retirement cannot be transferred. Poster. Pursuant to order dated 27/7/2023, Ms. R. Vasa, Learned Counsel, Learned Government Advocate, has produced an instruction received from the Conservator of Forest Headquarters written to the senior from the Conservator of Forest Headquarters by the letter dated 3rd August 2023, written to the senior government advocate Guwahati High Court Itanagar Permanent Bench, wherein it has been stated that the petitioner has been transferred from Dying Erin Wildlife Sanctuary to the office headquarters of the Chief Conservator Forest, Western Arunachal Circle, Bandodwa, by the imputed order of transfer by following government guidelines of transfer and posting of officers issued by number APTTT stroke 19 stroke 90 dated 2/6/1998. Postal and as per clause 1D of the aforesaid transfer and posting guidelines, officers posted in the field stroke work divisions are to be transferred to office headquarters 1 year before retirement. Postal. As the petitioner is posted as DFO Dying Erin Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a field posting having sensitive interstate boundary with Assam. The petitioner Postal. The petitioner is left with less than a year of service for less than a year of service for retirement, and his posting to the office headquarters of the Chief Conservator of Forest, Western Arunachal Circle, Bandodwa, who will not only relieve him from the sensitive and regular forest patrolling, but also facilitate him with adequate time to prepare his pension papers during the most crucial time of his career. First of para. Clause 1D of the transfer and posting guidelines dated 2/6/1998 is stated to provide the petitioner is also stated to be serving as DFO Erin Wildlife Sanctuary since 2018. Also, in view of the above, considering the fact that the petitioner has been serving as DFO at Erin Wildlife Sanctuary, Pasikat, since 2018, and the transfer and posting guideline dated 2/6/1998 provides for posting of an employee on the verge of retirement to the headquarters for facilitating preparation of pension papers in time, and the office of the Chief Conservator of Forest, Western Circle, Bandodwa, being the headquarter posting. I am not inclined to interfere with the impugned order of transfer dated 13 July 2023, issued by so and so by number so and so. The writ petition accordingly is dismissed, being devoid of merit. Instruction received by the instruction received by the London Government Advocate from the Conservator of Forests dated 3rd August 2023, produced before this court by Ms. R. Basar, London Government Advocate, is retained on record, which shall form part of the record and marked as X for identification.
But Lordship, their instruction is in violation of the guideline itself because it says prior to 1 year. I have only 4 months left. It's in violation of their instruction.
Prior to
Prior to 1 year, because I have only 4 months left.
4 months,
They should transfer me out of 1 year before.
1 year before.
Yes, it is written in this guideline, to clause D. Generally, officers posted.
Where is the guideline?
Case number 17.
17.
Yes. It's in the violation. Clause 1D, second line. However, generally officers posted in the field work should be posted out of office headquarters 1 year before retirement. And I have only 4 months left.
One year before or 1 year before or after 1 year? Before your retirement?
Yes, before my retirement, 1 year before my.
Posting of you at headquarters will facilitate early preparation of your pension paper or not?
But in my case, it will hamper my papers because it has already been started by circular,
See,
because the paper is, they are getting ready at Pasigat. Now entire thing has to move to Bandardevan. Had they transferred
Then-
out in the year 2020.
just a moment. Officers are not to be transferred 1 year before retirement as it may affect preparation of the pension papers.
Yes,
However, generally officers posted in the field or work divisions should be posted out to office headquarters
yes,
1 year before retirement.
yes.
What is the,
Now, Lordship, there is a catch,
What?
two cases. Number one, I could have been sent to the place of serial number 7, that is Canby. Pasigat only.
Pasigat is your headquarters?
No, it's a division. So I should be there in place of Canby there because she is coming to me in my post. I should be placed there and that is only in Pasigat.
You could be, but they have not done.
That is why, Lordship. That is why I'm here before Lordship.
Do you have a right to be posted at Pasigat?
That is why I have a prayer, humble prayer, Lordship, only because the guideline clearly says that 1 year before. They could have transferred me out 1 year before in 2022, but they have transferred
Where you could have been posted?
anywhere. I would have no problem then.
Okay, before 1 year.
Yes.
And what is wrong with this transfer?
My paper which are being ready at Pasigat since June, that will again, I have to collect everything.
Where your pension paper has to be prepared?
At
At Pasigat or at Bandrudra?
Pasigat.
Huh?
Pasigat.
Where have you stated?
It's in the circular.
Huh?
It's in the circular. Lordship.
Circular.
Yes.
Pasigat is your headquarters or Bandrudra is your headquarters?
No, headquarters is Pasigat, Itanagar, but my papers are at Pasigat.
All right,
My service book is everything.
all
That
right.
is fine.
We just wanted to clarify you. We will not indulge this much. No right vested in this transfer and posting.
Okay.
Hey, my lord, my lord. My lord, earlier this matter was dismissed since I have not challenged one of the order passed by the deputy commissioner, my lord. But my
Yes.
lord, liberty was given to me to file case, my lord.
Yes,
My lord,
how will you show you are not an encroacher?
my lord, the petitioner father, way back in the year 2009, my lord. Petitioner father occupied a plot of land. Plot of land at Fion Colony, my lord, Daforju. That plot of land was adjacent to the government quarter.
How can we believe you?
My lord, this is
Huh?
my.
This is not a. That you have a plot of land there. You make a statement and ought. How can we believe you?
My
They
lord,
are saying that you are an encroacher.
my lord, there can be two ways always, my lord.
Yes.
Since years, so at this point of time, my lord, my contention is that, my lord. No doubt, my lord, officially I have not been allotted yet, my lord. No, I have been not allotted that very plot of land till now officially, my lord. But my lord, since 2009, I've been staying here, my lord.
How do we know that you are there in since 2009? Deputy Commissioner, Estate Official Deputy Commissioner has said you have constructed OVT house
Yes,
in the premises of quarter number so and so.
yes, my lord.
They will say that. You say that you occupied it. On what basis this court will record a finding?
My contents is dead, my lord.
In other words,
Yes,
you have to move the civil court.
my lord, my contention is that, my lord, there was a vacant space, my lord, nearby the quarter, my lord. My lord, there is already 3 meter space between my occupied land.
How do we know? How you will establish?
My lord,
It has to
since-
be, it will require evidence.
My lord, I have also applied allotment, my lord, in the last month, my lord. And the sketch map was also prepared by the land department, my lord, which I have annexed, my lord. So, my lord, at this point of time, my lord,
See, this is a writ court.
yes, my lord.
You have to distinguish the arguments to be made before the civil court and the writ court.
My lord, at this point of time, my lord, my humble prayer is, my lord, since I am having, my lord, 3 minor children, my lord. One is in class 1 and second one is UKG. And third one is, my lord, 6 month old son, my lord. So at this point of time, my lord, in mid.
How it is relevant?
My lord, I think, my lord, if at this point of time, if I evicted, that will it amount to, my lord, violation of human rights, my lord. That's what I feel, my lord, since
And you are correct.
yes,
It will be violation of the human right if anybody is evicted in an illegal manner. But if at the same time, if anybody is permitted to occupy the public premises, then that will give a boost to the others to imitate your action.
my lord.
Since Mr. Kudu is in occupation of public premises, no action has been taken against him by the government, who will also occupy.
My lord.
That is also not against that is also not in the interest of public.
Now, my lord, present situation, what happened, my lord, in our district, my lord, almost all the government operator has been occupied, my lord.
Yes.
By the, my lord, occupant only, my lord.
Now you are.
Now, my lord, by occupant only, my lord. The government employee who is allotted the government quarter, they himself, my lord, occupied it.
You challenge those. Challenge those. Then we will also allow you to occupy like others. If not, we'll direct the authority to remove all of you.
My lord, at this point of time, my
You know
lord,
that.
since eviction may be carried out anytime, my lord, and I have 3 minor.
If you are in public premises, then what can be done? It has, you are in a way, you are unlucky that you have been pointed out by the authorities.
My lord.
We are also aware that you will not be the only one. There will be so many others
Yes,
to whom the authorities have not issued notice, no proceeding has been drawn up against. That is also what is happening everywhere.
my lord.
So under such circumstances, you have to challenge those that you have been singled out, but not in this manner. Here you are an encroacher like many others.
My lord.
We can't protect anybody who are encroachers.
My lord.
But if you challenge, if you bring it to our notice that your friends are also under occupation, no action has been initiated against them, you have been singled out, then we'll protect you. Got it? That is the domain of the writ court.
My lord.
But if you say you have a plot of land, 3 meters, that is not the scope of it. That is not the scope of it.
My lord, in my case, my lord, I might have occupied, my lord, 2 and 3 meters, my lord. And that part I'm ready to vacate, my lord. But whole, I may have, my lord, occupied, encroached the government quarter 2 or 3 meters, my lord, maybe, my lord. But that part I'm ready to, my lord, vacate. But whole structure, my lord. Since my structure is only my lord, a kacha house, my lord. This only built on temporary basis, my lord. And my lord, I'm belongs to a very poor family, my lord. And my lord, I have no any relatives.
You have not understood what the court is saying.
Yes, my lord, I understood, my lord. I got your point, my lord. My lord was saying whatever you're saying, my lord, is very much right, my lord. But my lord, in my case, now, my lord,
First, your first writ petition,
yes,
it was not filed appropriately.
yes.
Is not it? Even then, we gave you liberty to file a fresh petition. This is the second petition. Here also there is a lacuna. You have not made out a case for the writ court to intervene. We can still give you time.
My lord,
But the writ petition in the present form and content, there is no scope for this court to intervene under 226.
my lord, my humble prayer is that, my lord, since now it is mid-academic session, my lord.
We have full sympathy with you. Why? Not that you are poor, not that you have 3 children, etc. Because you may have been singled out. That is why the court has a sympathy for you, but that does not give the power to this court to intervene. But you can make out a case for intervention of this court. You point out who else have encroached the government quarter premises. Make them a party. Then we will not. Then we will give you. Then we will pass a stay order, not to evict you.
But for that, my lord, I have to take a
I
have to take a lot of exercise. While to,
though this is not a part of the
I have to
court's
file
duty.
lots of things, your honor, my lord. But now, my lord, since for that things, my lord, I have to do lots of exercise, my lord. I have to
Okay,
file
all right.
RTI now.
All right, enough. Had Mr. L. Kurdu, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. D. Kamdu, learned. Extending counsel for the LM, representing respondent number 1 and 2. And Ms. G.H. Lanika Elson Senegamra advocate for
3 and 4 not say.
3 and 4. This writ petition is directed against the order dated 5th June 2023. Passed by the ESC cum estate officer. Upper Subanspeed District, Upper Region. Byte number so and so at page 19. Whereby no, page 20. 5th June, 5th June 2023. Whereby the petitioner has been directed to demolish the structure constructed by him within the premises of GA/T-1 Peon Colony, Daporizon. On being found to have constructed the structure unauthorizedly in the public premises. Full stop. Also put to challenge is the order dated 30 June 2023 passed by the Deputy Commissioner Upper Sumatra District 0, sorry, Daporizon, on an appeal preferred by under section 12 of the Arunachal Pradesh Public Premises Division of Unauthorized Occupant Act 2003, whereby the order dated 5th June 2023 passed by the EAC cum estate officer has been upheld. And the order dated 24th July 2023 issued by the EAC cum estate officer, Upper Sumatra District Daporizon at page 69, by number at page 19. Whereby petitioner has been directed to demolish the structure constructed by him within the premises of GA/T-1 Peon Colony, Daporizon within 7 days from the date of issue of the order, failing which the town magistrate Upper Sumatra District Daporizon has been directed to carry out the order post of the purported order dated 24 July 2023 has been issued by the EAC cum estate officer Upper Sumatra District Daporizon pursuant to the order dated 30 June 2023 passed by the Deputy Commissioner Upper Sumatra District Daporizon dismissing the appeal preferred by the petitioner under section 12 of the AP Public Premises Eviction of Unauthorized Occupants Act 2003. Post of. What is the ground for challenge by you for both the order of estate officer as well as the Deputy Commissioner on merit?
My lord, that my contention was I have not occupied, I have not encroached the government quarter. And my lord, I have been paying electricity bill since I've been paying electricity and water bills since 2009, and I have also annexed electricity bill and water bill. And I have been occupation of the particular plot of land for last 14 years. These are the my lord 3 contention which I have placed before the learned Deputy Commissioner in the field. My lord, I was on the peaceful position till 2022.
Where is your appeal memo?
Appeal is my lord, annexure number 3, my lord, page number 29. Page number 29, my lord.
Yes. Yes, yes.
He's been in this in possession of this plot of land since 2009. Till that, after getting eviction notice, only he applied for the land allotment. What he was doing till 14 years he was. And so far as electricity bill and the water bill also, wherever he is, he will of course pay for the, he have to pay for the electricity bill. Without paying, he won't get electricity also. And which he have annexed is the lordship for the 2023 February month only, lordship, of February month only. 2/2/2023 to 1/3/2023, lordship.
Yes.
So this doesn't show that he was in occupation of that place, plot of land since 2009. He have annexed the bill of February month only, this 2023.
My lord, this one is,
Even application he have applied only in the month of June after getting eviction order, that too, lordship. In the body of the form, I don't think officers received the application also. This is a form only, lordship. Where he have filled his name.
my lord, the bills which I have annexed, water bill and electricity bill. This is the substantial that I'm staying there and I'm paying the bills only. This is not the case like I'm paying and I'm enclosing since 2000. I've enclosed document from 2009, my lord.
February, March,
My-
lordship, of course he will pay because OBT has been constructed in that time only, around that time only.
My lord, my case is that, my lord, I have a peaceful occupation of the particular plot of land, my lord, since 2009, my lord. For last 14 years, my lord.
What do you do?
My lord, unemployed, my lord, unemployed,
Huh?
unemployed, my lord.
Unemployed.
Yes, ma'am. And I have age-old parents also, my lord.
Huh?
Age-old. In my Kacha house, my lord, there also my age-old parents also reside, my lord. So, my lord, now at this point of time, if eviction is carried out, my lord, I will be suffering untold.
You said you have 3 children?
3 minor children, my lord.
3 minor children.
My lord. Parents, age-old parents, and 2 siblings.
When did you get married?
Married, my lord. 7, 8 years back, my lord.
You have shown yourself to be 20, as at 25 years.
My lord. Our tribal society, my lord.
Okay. No, that's not the issue. See, okay. You filed response.
So far, lordship.
See-
We don't see any.
What is after dictated or in the what is going on in the mind of the court is he will not be the only person who has encroached, but he is the, see, we'll dismiss the case once you file the response.
That's okay.
Correct,
lordship,
correct.
But then, lordship,
See, just a moment. I'm telling you the mind of the court for this matter.
lordship, I understand.
See, he cannot be the only one who is in encroachment on the public premises. That is not it,
My lord.
He is he says he's as a 25 years and staying in a OBT house, Kacha house. And he has been proceeded with under Public Premises Act. It may be a case of luck being not, to use the word, luck being not in his favor.
Exactly, my lord.
Lordship, but then simple, this one is that.
See,
In government quarter,
No, no.
lordship, someone comes and stranger is unemployed, coming and lordship, just adjacent to the quarter, lordship. Occupying the land adjacent to the quarter, lordship, this is kind of scary also, lordship.
going by your experience, do you think he will be the only one?
Lordship.
That of course
I
is,
agree that,
see,
I agree that.
that of course is beside the, that is outside the scope of the writ petition. While we adjudicate the writ petition, we will not take these factors into account.
Lordship.
But for the time being, you get the response.
My lord.
2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Lordship may dispose of the matter saying that lordship, some time may be allowed him to lordship shift his dismantle and shift.
You want to
Three
say,
week-
you want to
3 months
say
time,
anything?
lordship.
You want to
3
say
months
anything?
In fact, lordship, was making rightful observation, lordship. If he is alleging that there are so many other encroachers that he ought to have met them party also. That lordship was rightly indicated. Here he has missed that for doubt. Otherwise, lordship could have. Although lordship, who are saying that he's a mere encroacher, he do not have any right. Those other encroacher lordship might be there, but they might not be disturbing the passage.
Yes,
His case is that he has disturbed, blocked the passage of the occupant of this quarter, it's just
Yes,
quarter.
lordship.
Achha.
That is the case here.
Lordship, page
Rest of the
22.
encroacher might be the lordship, obviously might be.
There might be people with RCC structure on the public premises.
Yes.
We don't know if this is this, but going by the experience of both of yours, both of you will also agree, I think. You are what, blocking the passage?
No,
Where?
my lord.
Page number?
Lordship, may kindly come to page 22, lordship. It is in the report, lordship.
22,
Page 22. lordship. Type out copy of
yes.
the lordship, serial 1. The complaint lodged by so and so peon of DC office, Taporoja dated 19/1/2023, with effect that one series so and so encroached upon her allotted government quarter by constructing an OBT, thereby causing hindrance to the entry point of her government quarter.
All right.
My lord,
And lots,
See.
this land is at general administration districts, general administration area.
We are not,
This scarcity of lordship in
We-
district also.
we are not allowing the writ petition.
Lordship.
You have heard what we have discussed.
my lord,
For the time being, we'll issue notice,
my lord.
but unless you improve your case
My
on the next date,
My lord,
in this form, writ petition will be dismissed.
my lord, my lord,
We have discussed all aspects.
my lord. So meantime, my lord,
Right, this will remain, huh? Issue notice. We'll fix a date. Returnable 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks, my lord, 3 weeks or 4 weeks, my lord. Matter is pertaining to Upper Sulawesi district, the Porjo, my lord.
Returnable on 21st of August. Okay,
Lordship.
it will be less than 3 weeks. 28,
28, my lord.
28 of August.
My lord.
Twenty-first of August, 21st of August. 23rd of August, 23rd of August. Yes, Mr. Kamlut and Mr. Ms. Kamlut and Mr. Ethan, and council have accepted notes on your 1, 2, and 3 and 4 respectively, no formal notice will be issued. Steps for service of notice upon respondent 5 be taken by register posted area as a usual process.
And my lord, that's his service also, my lord.
Okay, first one. Dusty in addition is also permitted to be taken on respondent number 5. Right after an affidavit shall be filed before the next date fixed. Full stop. Till the returnable date. Order dated 24th July 2023. Passed by the ESC Crown Estate Officer, Upper Sulawesi District, Upper by number so and so at page 19. Shall not be given effect to. That will do. Only the last order. Yes. List it on 23rd.
Go by the petition timeline.
Okay, all right. On next date, you say.
Deeply obsessed.
But number two. Under by, I didn't really petition method. We are for a review. And we method. Most of our teacher in LPN and method UPA, the promotion. So that question, depends on education. Of course, government has filed affidavit. Department has filed affidavit, we have also filed replies. So matter may be hard. It requires some education.
Oh, what is this matter about?
Ultimately, is that my lord, whether the post of headmaster in LPA, lower primary school and upper primary school is a promotional post. And to that extent, government file affidavit.
Yes.
Admission on their part, they observe that it is a promotional post. Even then, my lord, it requires some sort of adjudication. By this now, so matter may be hard at length, my lord, on the next date.
Okay, you want the method to be posted the hearing?
Yes. And now, my lord, I am coming on my lord, officials, if the other matter on 22nd of September. So if it is otherwise possible and convenient, my lord, matter may be listed on that particular.
Yeah, Jamu, what did you say?
No problem.
Okay.
I agree.
There are no private respondents, is not it?
No, madam.
No. Mr. A.K. Purkast. Who is for whom?
My lord, I am for respondent number 2, 3, and 6, 7, 8, 9, madam.
Okay, here noted down. Standing person. And Mr. Warrior?
1, 4, and 5.
1, 4, and 5. Learned counsel for the petitioner, parties submits that the pleadings have been exchanged. In view of the above, let rule be issued as all the parties as the pleadings have been exchanged by the parties. As all the parties are represented and the pleadings have been exchanged, no further steps is required to be taken. List it for hearing on 22nd of September as agreed to by the council for the parties. Okay.
Worship. Good morning, I have sent my junior to mention your worship. This is the contempt.
Yes. Not complied with.
Worship, I am suffering from
Okay.
Can it be taken up after
Yeah.
2 weeks, lordship?
For short adjournment, because of his eyesight problem,
After 2 weeks, lordship.
and I have considered it. And other days, my lord, she has
Otherwise,
observed that it requires some sort of hearing. Because my lord, whether we have complied with the my lord, order of the court,
Is it?
so my lord, he has got some personal problem today. So my lord, I have no objection. And matter may be taken on 22nd of September.
basic issue is for implementation of the notification issued by the board.
Yes. When do you want?
Worship,
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Lord, kindly, my lord, convene, my lord. Shift the matter on 22nd of September. I will come for other cases, man.
You have already fixed
Yes,
two
Lord.
matters.
Yes.
And the matter which we have just now fixed, it is likely to take some time. Is not it? 22nd, it will be possible for this?
No, I will do my best, my lord. I will not take so much time. And my friend will also not so much time, my lord. But it requires some sort of, my lord, adjudication.
What do you say? 22nd September?
Otherwise, I will have to come, my lord.
Huh?
Otherwise, I will have to come in the midst, my lord.
You would not like to come?
It is difficult.
Let it be after 3 weeks, in the meantime, we mention him also, they can mention.
And the 12 other council part listed after 3 weeks.
Then, my lord, if my lord, if it is not possible for me to come after 3 weeks, I will make a mention.
That we don't know.
That's why, my lord, lordship, that is kindly consider my inconvenience and fix the matter on 22nd of September.
I do not know.
Oblast.
Wait, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, our affidavit and replies ready, we'll file it by Monday, man. I took time in the last occasion.
What is the matter about?
My lord, regarding imposition of penalty after department.
Okay. Mr. Deep Honorable Council for the petition summons that the rejoinder is ready and will be filed within a week. We have never listed after 3 weeks.
Okay.
Matters, my lord. My lord, this is a tender matter, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, that file an additional affidavit, my lord.
Well, council will respond not there.
He is not.
Matter
In
has
fact, my lord,
become, matter has become influxus. Influxus.
not exactly, my lord. I don't have any instruction on that matter.
What was the matter about?
A tender matter, my lord. Challenging.
BSNL.
Yes, my lord.
There
They
were
stay
some-
order- they
there-
stay order-
there were some other matter also.
Yes, there were two matters, my lord.
They have been
But-
disposed of.
No, my lord, only one has been listed, my lord. In fact, I have filed an additional affidavit in both the cases, my lord, but inadvertently, only one has been listed, my lord. The other, I don't have any idea about that.
Oh, incorrect documents have been.
Yes, yes, therefore, my lord,
Stay order was vacated.
my lord.
Then what survives?
Nothing but then at least let the other party come, my lord.
Please proceed.
My lord. Not the similar matter, my lord, but it pertains to the same motion tender. My lord.
The notice to be done today.
Today, my lord,
We'll adjourn.
we can adjourn it, my lord. And in fact, my lord, here, my lord, I have filed two applications, my lord. Repetition number 223 and 224, my lord. But 224 has not been listed, my lord. So may I humbly pray, my lord, 224 may also be listed along with this petition,
Okay,
my lord.
all right. Mr. N. Opada, council person, non appears for the respondent. We have demo and as prayed for by Mr. Or pardon and council for the petition. List this matter along with WBC 2 for
My lord.
AP of 2020. After 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
Number 7.
The please lordship. I am the petitioner. Matter pertaining to the cancellation of my application. So pleading is complete. I'm a kickboxer, but as a kickboxer, sports special quota application for assistant mineral development officer. I also was, as a candidate, I filed an application, but it was rejected. That kickboxing is not come under the list of games and sports. So I filed this application challenging my impugn order of my cancellation of application. So I have received already the copies of affidavit in opposition. So I want to reply it, my lord.
How much time?
2 weeks. 2 weeks time is necessary. I will reply it, my lord. There is something objectionable points.
Yes. Okay. Mr. U. Decker, council for the petition, and Mr. R. Russell, and the governor. Mr. Decker, and council for the petition question. And is granted for the 2 weeks time
Yes, ma'am.
to file rejoinder. For the counter affidavit filed by the state. Listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged. Bye-bye.
Your lordship, we are yet to file our affidavit, your lordship. 3 weeks maybe grant was your lordship, file affidavit.
Earlier, where we said 3 weeks, we make both the cases 4 weeks, 4 weeks. Or that, not that contempt case note, that will remain 3 weeks. You want to file counter?
Yes, your lordship. We have to file a counter.
What is the matter about?
Basically, they are challenging the eviction notice, your lordship.
Eviction notice.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes. Mr. K. Logan, council for the petition, and Mr. Y. government advocate who pressed for and is granted further 6 weeks time to file counter affidavit listed after 6 weeks.
Obliged.
Number 10.
Infructuous.
No, your lordship, this non-payment of bill, your lordship,
By
by the it's an electoral department. your
chief
lordship.
electoral officer.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, don't remember. Have you filed counter affidavit?
Yes, your lordship, we have already filed.
Have you denied?
Yes, your lordship, in this one, your lordship. Your lordship make some more affidavit, your lordship.
Okay, all right. Non-abuse for the petition. Hard Miss P. Pangu. You are the government advocate appearing for which respondent?
4 to 7, your lordship.
4 to 7. who submits that counter affidavit by the respondent number 4 to 7 has been filed. And who is to pay the bill?
Yes, it needs this one. Electoral officer, Your Lordship.
Not deputy commissioner.
No, Your Lordship, Deputy Commissioner has already submitted the sanction, Your Lordship, today. Chief Electoral Officer, Your Lordship.
Since the learned counsel for the petitioner is not present today, listed after 8 weeks. Yes. Affidavit have been filed.
Yes, Your Lordship, we have already filed our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Any urgency in the matter? No.
Oh, Your Lordship, here, Your Lordship, the petitioner is claiming the land established for establish SCC rigs under the reserve forest, Your Lordship, until reserve forest.
There is stay order.
Yes, Your Lordship, stay order is there.
None appears for the petitioner. Ms. P. Pangal, government advocate, who submits the counter affidavit by
Respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
respondent number 2 has been filed. And the counsel for the petitioner is not present to the listed after 8 weeks.
Item number 11.
Hmm.
Sir.
Yes.
Your Lordship.
Can it be disposed of?
uh,
Item number 12,
No, 11, sir. I know, I'm.
11.
Yeah.
Here in
but-
11.
Yeah, for 11.
Yes.
No, actually, sir, I was only instructed to get adjournment for today, sir.
Okay, so 8 weeks.
Thank you, much obliged.
Hmm. Yes.
My lord, in item number 12, respondent have to file affidavit in opposition.
What is this matter about?
My lord, this matter is about land compensation.
Who is to file affidavit?
A state respondent.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we have not received our Paraval's comment here, Your Lordship. Some more time may be.
Or Mr. B. Kamdak, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. P. Palmer, learned government advocate representing
Respondent number 1, 5 and 6.
respondent number 1, 5 and 6, who press for and is granted further 8 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Listed after 8 weeks.
Authorized.
Apologies, my lord. For item number 11, can the interim be continued?
Which one?
Item number 11. The interim
No,
order.
in the last order, it was not continued. Then we can't continue it.
My lord, we need some time.
Huh?
My lord, we need some time to file the rejoinder affidavit. Until then, if we get some,
No, see, you are not getting the point which the court is making. In the last order, the interim order was not extended. All right, so I can't extend automatically, the interim order is not last extended.
much of
Yes. If you come prepared, we can make an endeavor to dispose of the case.
Yes, Lordship,
Otherwise, listing it mechanically, adjourning it. huh? Next time we'll adjourn it for 3 months. This time it is only 2 months. Yes,
Lordship, in this matter, we need some time for the sea service, Lordship.
that's the service.
We have done with respondent number 5, sorry, respondent number 8. So we need some time for respondent number 5.
What is the matter about?
Land compensation and payment for food track from Lamnyo to Longchung.
Was this service? I think. Respondent 8 has been served.
Yes, Lordship.
So no. Kindly report the So since notice has been served, you may not require to take dusty service. Okay? Who is this private respondent? Have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Your Worship, we have to file.
Yes. Can the matter be disposed of?
No, Your Worship, we have not received any instructions of Paravise Comment.
You said you filed affidavit.
No, I misheard Your Worship. I
Okay.
apologize. We have to file our affidavit. Your Worship.
All right. Who is respondent number 8? SB. Okay. All right.
Enterprise, HB Enterprise.
Hard Mr.
T. Siga, sir.
T.
Siga.
Siga Learned Counsel for the petitioners. And Mr. Wairam for?
1, 3, 6, and 7.
Okay, Learned Government Advocate for so and so. Though the petitioner was permitted to serve notice upon respondent number 8 by Dusty by the order dated 30/6/2023, Mr. Siga submits that Dusty service upon respondent number 8 has not yet been taken by the petitioner. Also, however, for which he pressed for some more time to take Dusty service on respondent number 8 also. However, office note dated 2/8/2023 while indicating that petitioner has not taken dusty service upon respondent number 8. A regard in respect of respondent number 8. Is returned back after causing service on respondent number 8. It has been shown. It has been shown that the ID card in respect of in view of the above, it may not require for the petitioner to take dusty service upon respondent number 8. In view of the obvious note dated 2/8/2023. Notice upon respondent number 8 is deemed to be served. On the prayer of Mr. Y. Riram, London Government Advocate, because so and so listed after 8 weeks for filing of a counter affidavit.
Obliged.
Lordship, I'm the petitioner. So step has been taken. As there are as many as 6 respondents, but no affidavit has been filed till then.
Your lordship, some more time may be given, your lordship.
What is the matter about?
This is a superseding appointment, Lordship. So
What appointment?
superseding, my junior my junior engineer was appointed to the post of executive engineer. I am deprived.
You are assistant engineer.
Yes, yes,
Assistant engineer junior to have been appointed
yes.
as
He is
executive
junior.
engineer.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I'm.
Which respondent?
That is ULB, town, urban local bodies, the Department of Urban Local Bodies.
Which respondent? Respondent number 6.
Respondent or 6, my lord.
He was also a junior engineer
Yes,
or assistant engineer.
he was junior engineer, but he was not permanent. I am permanent and permanently absorbed here in this ULB, but he was not permanently absorbed. Even his department is the parent department still.
Okay. Junior engineer has been appointed as executive engineer.
Yes,
Yes.
The day before yesterday, they have punished me the extra copies, my lord. Only
Is it?
Yes.
You are representing whom?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. Rural development.
I'm representing appointment number 3, director.
Director ULB. Okay. Okay. Menjo for 6.
Yes,
Pangu?
I'm for respondent number 1 and 2.
Okay. Pangu for 1 and 2. Omo for 3. T Omo. B Picha for 4 and 5. E Menjo for 6. Deka for petitioner. You Deka. How much time?
At least 3 weeks time may be given.
Okay.
Let's start with the department, director, respondent 3.
Have you not furnished extra copy to them?
extra copy. I'll provide, my lord.
No, you will provide is all right. Why have you not furnished to them?
Copy, notice was taken properly through registered post, my lord.
No, no, you will be, you are
Extra copy.
standing counsel.
Yes.
Your name has been sold. Did you appear in the motion stage? Our government advocate had received notice. How many copy of the writ petition you have furnished to the government advocate?
One extra copy and by a registered post, 1 copy.
To whom?
Yes. So further copy I'll supply. I'll provide my lord.
No,
Would
it
it-
is-
would it
see,
be-
Mr. Deka, it is not like this.
Yes.
When you file a case, you serve 1 copy to the government advocate. There may be more, there may be 5, 6 departments.
Yes, my lord.
Huh? Respond, young man.
Yes.
So after notice is issued,
Yes.
you have to serve as many copies to the government advocate as there are state respondents. In addition to the first copy you have served.
My lord, I'll not do repeat again this. I'll
And this
immediately
is,
provide.
this is why they have to send those copies
Yes, my lord.
to each of these respondents, seeking their response.
Yes, my lord.
So if you don't furnish it on the, immediately after the notice is issued, there will be delay.
Yes, my lord.
No, these procedures, you should, you are clearly a senior counsel now. Hmm?
Yeah, I'll provide that's within this week on this.
On the prayer of learned council for the respondents. Listed after 4 weeks for filing of a counter affidavit. You furnish copy?
Yes, my,
And you get the receipt also,
yes, sir.
so that they don't later on
Yes.
again say
Yes, yes.
they have not received.
Yes, I'll produce the receipt. All right, thank you.
Counsel for petitioner earlier, Mr. Zakir was there, no, sir.
What is the matter about?
It's about the guest of the PW authority has directed the petitioner to vacate the circuit house. There was a lease agreement between the petitioner and the deputy commissioner,
Which place? Which place?
Sapuri.
Okay. Then that notice was issued after the expiry of the lease period.
No.
Before
There was a public complaint also.
Okay.
Where the government property has been given to some individual. So
And the lease period is for how long?
this lease period. Lease agreement also has not been.
Hmm.
10 years.
10 years.
10 years.
Okay.
And it will. end
All right, all right. None appears for the petitioner. Third, Mr. S. Tapinlal, Senior Government Advocate, representing the state. None had appeared for the petitioner when this petition was taken up by this court on 20/12/2021, 3/8/2022, and 31/5/2023. So today also none has appeared for the petition. In view of the above, the petition was dismissed for default and for non-prosecution. Interim order passed earlier, stands vacated. Yes.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Matter is in process.
no loss.
Okay, what is the matter, Emma?
Lordship, it's termination from job without the.
Wireman.
Yes, sir, yes.
What is the termination order?
17 of the rate petition.
Page 17.
Oh, sorry, madam, 18, madam.
18. Where is this letter dated 31/8/2018? OM dated 31/8.
That is not in read petition, my lord. I have annexed it in my
Yeah.
everyday report.
Okay. What is that?
Page number 8, my lord.
Page number 8.
8 of affidavit.
Because termination has been made on that basis. Okay, page number 8.
Type out is at page number 9, my lord. Type out
Yes,
9.
yes. Yes, what is wrong with this?
Lordship, I'm so sorry, Lordship. I have no brief regarding this matter, so I sought for adjournment this morning, Lordship.
Who is the petitioner? Okay, petitioner is you.
Yes, Lordship.
Policy. Where is the appointment order?
Appointment order, my lord, at page number 17, my lord. of
Page
zoning
number-
petition, my lord.
Page number 17.
Right.
When was the affidavit filed by you?
My lord, I filed a 20, my lord. 3/4/2020 amendment.
Okay. Mr. K. Lolen, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. L. Parmel, standing counsel for the power department, representing all the respondents.
My lord.
This writ petition has been filed. Challenging the order dated 9/10/2018. Issued by the superintending engineer within bracket E, AP Electrical Circle dash Roman 4 F5, Department of Power 0 by number so and so at page 18. Whereby the
Sorry, my lord, appointment order is 25 January 2018. 25 January.
that is at page 17, no?
17, my lord.
Okay.
25.
No. Whereby the appointment of petitioner Sri Tutu Rui to the post of WC Khalasi within bracket ad hoc appointed by order number so and so, it is there in that page, dated 25/1/2018 from direct recruitment quota has been cancelled with immediate effect. Has been cancelled. Cancelled in compliance with the office memorandum number so and so, it is also there at page 18, dated 31/8/2018, received from the chief engineer within bracket P, Central Electrical Zone, comma, Department of Power, Itanagar. Full stop. What is your ground of challenge?
My lord, this sole ground by violation of necessary justice. my lord.
Natural justice. Okay.
Before termination,
Yeah.
he was not issued any notice, my lord. So,
He has not issued notice, is not it?
yes, my lord, we did not.
Okay. Contending that the I proceed or that the impin order dated 9 October 2018. I proceed, okay, impin order dated 9 October 2018 has been issued without notice to the petitioner. Post of para. The petitioner was appointed as WC Khalasi within the wireman by the order of appointment dated 25th January 2018. Issued by the superintendent. You already have this, huh? By number so and so. And appointment order is at page 17. In 18 also it is already referred to. Poster. Just order. This you stock of this appointment poster. The respondent, the state respondents have filed counter affidavit. And the respondents number 1, 2, 3, and 4 have filed counter affidavit. Where the letter dated memorandum, memorandum dated 31st August 2018, issued by the chief engineer within bracket P, Central Electrical Zone Department of Power, by number so and so, on the basis of which the impute order dated 9 October 2018 have been issued by the Superintendent Engineer E.A.P. Electrical Circle Roman 5 Development Power was issued. Did I say issued? Was issued cancelling the appointment of the petitioner in the post of WC Khalasi, ad hoc dated 25/1/2018. Also, the appointment memorandum dated 31st August 2018, issued by the Chief Engineer P. Central Electrical Zone Power, is quoted here in above for ready reference at page 9 of the counter affidavit poster. From perusal of the memorandum dated 31st August 2018, issued by the Chief Engineer P. Central Electrical Zone Department Power, it is noticed that wherein it is noticed that on the recommendation of Honorable Minister Power, on the note of the Honorable MLA, 26 ST Assembly Constituency, Dumbo Reserve, the Office of the Chief Engineer P had issued a letter by number CE within bracket P stroke CEZ, stroke ESTT, stroke W, stroke C, that's miss. It is there in that letter. Stroke part 2017, that's 18, etc., etc. Dated 16/1/2018 for considering appointment of Sri Tutu Rai, the petitioner, under direct recruitment quota. The aforesaid letter, the letter dated 16/1/2018 is not an approval order issued to the appointing authority to directly appoint Sri Tutu Rai, the petitioner hearing, as WC Khalasi without conducting trade test stock interview. Full stop. On the scrutiny, it has been found that the appointing authority had misinterpreted the letter issued by the office of the chief engineer as an approval letter for direct appointment. Full stop. The letter issued by the letter dated 16/1/2018 issued by the chief engineer P. Central Electrical Zone, Department of Power, had provided that the appointment may be considered under direct recruitment quota, which was not an approval order for appointment under direct recruitment quota without undergoing recruitment norms. Full stop. Therefore, on a thorough scrutiny, the appointment order issued to the petitioner has been found on a thorough scrutiny, it has been found that there are lapses in issuing the appointment order of Sri Tutu Rai, the petitioner, as WC Khalasi Ado by the order of appointment dated 25 so 25 cents, and therefore it has been found to be a fit case for cancellation or termination of the said appointment order. Accordingly, the superintendent engineer within bracket E0, who had issued the appointment order, being the appointing authority, being the appointing authority, has been directed to issue a formal cancellation stop termination order of appointment of Sri Tutu Rai, the petitioner. Tutu Rai, WC Khalasi, Udunbek Edo, the petitioner hearing. Full stop. Thereafter, it has been further directed that after cancellation stop termination of aforementioned appointment order, termination of the appointment order issued to the petitioner, the post that will fall vacant shall be continued, shall be kept reserved for direct recruitment quota. Also. Paragraph. Though the counter affidavit by the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 4, including the letter, memorandum dated 31st August 2018 of the Chief Engineer P. Central Power Zone, Department of Power, was filed on 3rd April 2021. No rejoinder has been filed by the petitioner disputing the correctness of the facts recorded in the OIM dated 31st August 2018. Issued by the Chief Engineer P. Central Electrical Zone, Department of Power. Full stop. In that view of the matter, since the petitioner has been found to have been appointed as WC Khalasi, within bracket Edo, pursuant to a letter dated 16/1/2018, written by the Chief Engineer P. Central Electrical Zone, Department of Power, on the basis of recommendation of Honorable Minister within bracket Power and a note of the Honorable MLA 26 ST Assembly Constituency, Gumporija, without conducting trade test or interview, along with other such eligible candidates, the appointment of the petitioner as the WC Khalasi ad hoc by the order of appointment dated 25th January 2018, issued by the Superintending Engineer AP Electrical Circle V, Department of Power 0 by number so and so, is found to be illegal is found to be illegally issued in violation of the recruitment rule, or is what is there for WC?
WC my lord,
Okay.
regulatory rule is there, scheme is there.
In violation of the norms of recruitment of work charge Khalasi, besides Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Besides, besides the post on. In that view of the matter, if the impugn order dated 9th October, 9th October 2018, issued by the Sovereign Engineer AP Electrical Circle B, Department of Power 0, by number so and so, cancelling the appointment order dated 25/1/2018, appointing the petitioner as WC Khalasi ad hoc is interfered with by this court. It will amount to a restoration of the appointment of the restoration of the order of appointment dated 25th January 2018, issued by the Superintendent Engineer AP Electrical Circle Roman 4, Department of Power 0, by number so and so, appointing the petitioner as WC Khalasi Wireman on temporary and ad hoc basis. Forget about temporary, which has been found to be issued illegally in violation of the norms for recruitment of WC Khalasi. Besides being issued in violation of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. Under the circumstances, I am under the opposite circumstances, I am not inclined to interfere with the impugn order of the impugn order dated 9 October 2018, issued by so and so. Even if the said order was issued without notice to the petitioner, for the reason that in the event the impugn order dated 9 October 2018 is interfered with by this court, it will amount to restoration of yet another illegal order of appointment dated 25th January 2018, issued by the Superintendent AP Electrical, appointing the petitioner as WC Khalasi. First of, in that view of the matter, writ petition, dismissed, being found to be devoid of merit, interim order passed earlier instance vacated. Is not it?
Yeah,